Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 100 stationery templates in CDR for Coral Draw, but these are protected password in this app by now for lifetime. And here is Facebook page, join me. Last is Telegram channel. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, you see you can change everything. First unlock clear. Okay, and this is a full background. That's mean these are editable. You can change anything. Or you can use as a single letterhead. Amazing. Okay, you can remove anything and add any new thing, or replace with text or design, change color. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.